Hello and welcome to all my lovely students are here. So we were discussing the chapter Reach for the Top and about Maria Sharapova, and this is the part second of the chapter. See passage number 3rd. I used to be so lonely, Maria Sharapova recalls. I missed my mother terribly. My father was working as much as he could to keep my tennis training going, so he couldn't see me either. So Maria Sharapova recalls or recollect or remember that she used to remain alone and missed her mother so much, and her father worked so hard to collect some money, to fetch some money for her हर नीड्स, उनकी ज़रूरतों के लिए उनके फादर मनी कलेक्ट करते थे. एंड ही ऑल्सो कुड नॉट मीट हर, जनरली वो भी उनसे मीट नहीं कर पाते थे. पैसेज नंबर 4. Because I was so young, I used to go to bed at 8 p.m. So she was very young, and so that she used to go to bed at 8 p.m. And the other tennis people would come in at 11 p.m. and wake me up and order me to tidy up the room and clean up. So Maria was very young, you know very well ki she was only 18 years old, and she would go to sleep at 8 p.m. The other students would return at 11 p.m. and wake up and order her to clean the room. वो लोग order देते थे room को clean करने के लिए. Instead of letting that depress me, I became more quietly determined and mentally tough. I learned how to take care of myself. I never thought of quitting because I knew what I wanted. When you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you very hungry and determined. I would have put up with much more humiliation and insult than that to steadfastly pursue my dreams. So, here, depress means sad, sadden, dukhi, and quitting means leaving, छोड़ देना. Pursue means follow. So Maria did not get depressed by all this. वो कभी disturb नहीं होती थी. Instead she became determined and mentally tough. धीरे धीरे वो determined होती गई and काफ़ी mentally strong होती गई. She became mentally strong. She took care of herself. She never thought of leaving the training because she was determined to achieve her aims. When a person has nothing, he craves and becomes determined. जब इंसान के पास कुछ नहीं होता तो वो अपने डिटरमाइन हो जाता है अपने एक एम के लिए, टू गेट इट, उसे पाने के लिए. शी सेज दैट शी वुड हैव ब्रोन ग्रेटर ह्यूमिलिएशन एंड इंसल्ट्स ऑल्सो इन ऑर्डर टू अचीव हर ड्रीम. उन्हें काफ़ी फेस करना पड़ा इंसल्ट्स को, बट फिर भी वो अपने ड्रीम्स को फॉलो कर रही थी. परस्यू माई ड्रीम, बट फिर भी देयर आफ्टर आई फॉलो माई ड्रीम्स. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट इंसल्ट्स ऑफ माई फेलोज फ्रेंड. मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं था. जस्ट आई वॉन्ट टू डिटरमाइन माई एम. That toughness runs though Maria even today. It was the key to her bagging the women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004 and to her meteoric rise to the world number 1 spot the following year. So, bagging means winning. Okay, winning, and meteoric, very rapid, very fast. So Maria retains her determination till present day. This determination led her to grab to achieve the women's singles trophy at Wimbledon championship in 2004. So 2004 में उन्हें विंबल्डन चैम्पियनशिप उन्होंने ट्रॉफी पाई, and followed by the rapid climb to the top position in 2005. Within her journey from the frozen plains of Siberia to summit of women's tennis has touched the heart of tennis fans. For the youngster herself, there appears to be no room for sentiment. The straight looks and the answers she gives when she asked about her ambition make it amply clear that she considers the sacrifices were worth it. I am very competitive. I work hard at what I do. It's my it's my job. This is her mantra for success. So AMPLI amply means plentifully. Ambition means you know very well goal. So tennis fans feel emotional to know about Maria's journey from the frozen region of Siberia, but she is not moved by it. She gives straight answers when questions about her aims, which imply that she accepts that the hurdles, the obstacles, and the challenges she faced were worth the result that she got. She adds that she is competitive and works hard, as she considered it to be a part of her work. This is Maria's secret for success. सो उनके सक्सेस का यही रीज़न था दैट वो आंसर देती थी एकदम कि शी एक्सेप्ट द ऑब्स्टिकल. उन्होंने हमेशा बाधाओं को क्या किया, एक्सेप्ट किया है, चैलेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट किया है, फेस किया है. और वो कहती थी कि शी एड्स दैट शी इज़ कॉम्पिटेटिव. वो कंपटीशन करने के लिए ही बॉर्न हुई है एंड वर्क्स हार्ड एट शी कंसिडर इट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अ वर्क. वो कहती थी कि कंपटीशन इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ माई वर्क एंड दिस इज़ द मंत्र ऑफ सक्सेस, द मंत्र ऑफ हर सक्सेस. Though Maria Sharapova speaks with a pronounced American accent, she proudly parades her Russian nationality, clearing all doubt. She says, I am Russian. It's true that the US is a big part of my life, but I have Russian citizenship. My blood is totally Russian. I will play the Olympics for Russia if they want me. So, PARADS, parades means होता है displays. So Maria's speech has an American accent, but she is proud to be an Russian. She says that USA is a big part of her life because she trained there, but in the core of her heart, she is a Russian. She holds the citizenship of Russia. Her ancestors are Russian, and she is willing to represent Russia एट द ओलंपिक्स टू. तो वो उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग तो यूएस से की थी बट वो रशियन गर्ल थी, तो उन्होंने हमेशा यही बोला कि मैं रशियन गर्ल हूँ एंड मैं रशिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहूँगी कभी. लाइक एनी नंबर ऑफ teenaged sensations, Maria Sharapova lists fashion, singing, and dancing as her hobbies. She loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. The fondness of sophisticated evening gowns appears at odds with her love of pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. So, sophisticated means fashionable, at odds with means in disagreement with, fizzy, aerated. So, like other teenagers, her age, Maria's favorite pastimes are fashion, singing, and dancing. She likes to read novels also written by Arthur Conan Doyle, the creator of Sherlock Holmes. इन्होंने Sherlock Holmes लिखा है. अर्थर कैनन डॉयल ने. Sherlock Holmes एक आपकी इनकी एक राइटिंग थी. एंड शी लाइक्स टू वियर फैशन इवनिंग गाउन्स looking at her fit body, and it is unbelievable that she likes to eat pancakes with chocolate spread and drinks aerated orange flavored drinks. Okay, so she likes these things simply. Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categorized. Her talent, unwavering desire to succeed, and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her the top of the world. Few would grist her the riches she is now reaping. This is what she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. Of course, money is motivation. Tennis is a business and a sport. But the most important thing is to become number one in the world. That's the dream that kept me going. So, pigeonholed means classified or categorized. सो मारिया कैन नॉट बी पुट इनटू अ पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी, उनको हम किसी पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी में नहीं रख सकते. हर टैलेंट, अर्ज टू सक्सीड एंड सेक्रीफाइस नेचर हेल्प her reach the top of the position in women's tennis. No one will oppose the benefits that she is getting now because she made many sacrifices to get them. उनको पाने के लिए इन्होंने काफ़ी sacrifice किया है. She says that money does not motivate her to work hard. मतलब आप वर्क हार्ड कर रहे हो तो मनी मोटिवेट नहीं करती कि मुझे इतना पैसा मिलेगा तो मैं ज़्यादा मेहनत करूँगी. नो, शी सेज नो, money doesn't motivate me for work hard. Tennis is both a sport and a business, but the most important aspect for her was to reach the top spot in the women's tennis. उन्होंने कहा कि टेनिस स्पोर्ट भी है, एक बिजनेस भी है, लेकिन मुझे क्या करना है, सबसे टॉप पे पहुंचना है टेनिस के, वुमेन्स के. एंड इट वाज दिस ड्रीम दैट केप्ट हर वर्किंग फर्दर. और उनका ये ड्रीम ही था जो आज तक वो फुलफिल कर रही हैं, उन्हें आगे लेके गया.